Look at the car.
Oh, yes. Can I color it?
Yes, color the car green.
Great. The car is green now.
Can you see the shoes?
Sorry? Which shoes?
The shoes near the bag. Color them brown.
Brown. Okay. I'm doing that now.
Look at the sports shoes.
Yes. Can I color them?
Yes, color the sports shoes blue.
Okay. The sports shoes are blue now.
Can you see the bike?
Yes, I can.
Color the bike purple, please.
Purple?
Yes, please. Look at the ice cream.
It looks delicious.
Color the ice cream pink.
Sorry?
Color the ice cream pink.
Okay.